I know I look around a lot, but just so I don't miss anything. You know, in a blink of an eye you could miss like a tree. Can anyone see a tree? Hi there. My name is Matt. I'm from Matt Camping France, and this is my second video where I do another stupid thing, which is not turning my mic on. I will be explaining in a minute that I was trying to not have much on the wind noise because it was a windy day. So I'll try not to let this happen again. Oops. Well, now I'm trying to get my wind noise down. As I say, it's very windy here. I'm taking you down this gravel road still. I think I've sorted it. And do you know what it was? Forgot to turn the mic on. Well, I'm new at this, so please forgive me. Anyway, enough talking because I did too much talking on the last video and it was too long. Voila. I know normally people do research before they go out to a place and probably tell you what this used to be, whether this used to be a farm track or whatever. But me being me, totally forgot. Another bad thing about these videos. I will get better, promise. Don't know if you can hear or see, but the wind is just howling. There's meant to be a chance of rain, so people might ask why I always carry a backpack with me. It's always got rain gear in there. It's got a charger for my I'm doing this on my phone, so I charge it for my phone just in case, and I might need it for my selfie stick, which has got a stabilizer on it. Forgot to charge it last night. Knew that I was going to come and do a video today and totally forgot. As I say, I'm going to make these videos a lot shorter. I will be going soon to other places, so I'll make sure I keep everything with me so I can take video as I go along. The wind is howling, but as you've got trees either side, you don't feel that much. So, we're about at the end of this little road I'm going down. Still with the mic on, I guess, so there's no wind noise normally. Trying out these mics for the first time with a better wind protection on it. I will put in the video as well a photo of a screenshot to tell you exactly where I am. So going down there, you'll go to the end of this gravel trap. So this is where I've come from. So what I might do, I might go into the forest again. There's always little tracks off, and I'll take you through there. so much shadier in the forest. I guess if you're out in the open, sun's going to be very hot. I don't want to look around a lot, but it's so I don't miss anything. You know, in a blink of an eye, you could miss like a tree. Can anyone see a tree? So, I only walked this trail once before. Hopefully I can find my way back. If not, well, it's going to be a very long video until I can find my car. I hope to see you in a minute. What I'm also going to do is tell you temperatures and whatever. It's now roughly 6 o'clock, 1800 hours, and it's about 26 with the wind a little bit cooler, but still really nice. Nice for a walk, clear the head. I think I'm going to go down here. If it's the wrong way, yeah, maybe it is the wrong way. Anyway, all roads lead to Rome. I like being lost in a forest. Quiet, calm, just with the wind noise. Fantastic. Well, if I'm lost, then, you know, so be it. Where's the best place to be lost? Inside of a forest. And I think I know where I'm coming out. A big steep slope coming ahead. And guess where I've ended up? I've ended up in that crossroads where I showed you the two signs, one here and one there. So I know where I am, and I can get back to the car. Perfect. Just about back into the forest again. Short video this time. I'm not going to do long ones. It takes a lot of time to edit them. And the other thing, I guess it's more interesting with smaller videos, and obviously less talking. But I'm getting better. I promise. You like and subscribe to the video. You know, it shows me that you like these videos, and it gives me pleasure as well that people enjoy them as well. Don't know how this comes on to the camera. People always say that cameras on a phone makes it lighter than what it actually is. But as you can see, I'm sort of in the open, and behind me now there's like a dark forest. So I'll see you back at the car. Should take me 2 minutes. So then, one thing I like about this forest as I'm heading back, as I say, you can go this way and you're inside a forest. Go that way, you're out in the open on one of the big long trails. I'll show you the trail on a screenshot on Google Google Maps. As you can see, I'm back at the car park. That's where the cars are. That's where mine is. I'm going to close this one out. Thank you very much again for watching, and I'll see you next time.